I love it!
They've done a heart then, red ones.
They've done a lover in the sky.
It's gone through it like an arrow.
Yeah. Like a heart and arrow. That were good.
And then they're gonna fly past us this way, back that way.
I missed that heart bit because one's there.
I didn't.
One's there.
Where? Where?
Behind that tree. There, look.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there he is. White, a white line.
That heart were good.
Yeah.
I got most of it, but the first bit of
Here's
it I missed.
Here's one.
Oh, they're lapping each other again.
Let's do the heart again.
The sky has gone red.
Red and blue.
Yeah.
Here's one.
The clouds are bleeding.
There's one.
Why are they one at each end? Yeah.
Missed them.
They're doing the tornado again.
Yeah, they did. They're doing like different sort of dances in the sky, aren't they?
There's more coming.
I only thought they were going to come just fly over them, that's it. So they're longer than what I thought that they were going to. That they were going to. Where?
There.
Has done a cross.
What's the cross for?
Just patterns in the sky.
Oh, there's two there.
Look.
There's two coming back. And there's one there.
Look, Kyle.
There!
Yeah, look, there's one there as well. Oh, they're doing a white heart in the sky. Oh, they're not. Because that's...
Watch it. They're doing the same. Now they're going to pass.
one white and one red.
Then when they're going back, they go fly back.
I want to go to London and see it at the
There's
palace.
the other two. There, Nanny.
They're behind us.
Yeah, they're coming back. Wow.
Do you like it, Kaya? Whoa! Look!
Yeah, I see. Right, they're going now. Yeah, they are. They're going. They're going now.
Are they coming? Are they coming? Are they coming? They're coming back. Has Grampy seen it?
Hello.
They're coming back round.
They're going to cross it. They're going to...
Oh, there's some there.